RKTF University Bhopal has received an overall rating of 3.3 stars out of 5 from students on Shiksha.com. How is the BE course here? Let's find out in this detailed college review. Starting right off with the 2.9 rated placements. As per the NIRF, a total of 1,390 students registered for the 2023 placement drive, out of which 426 were successfully placed. The year-over-year trend shows approximately 13% increase in the placement percentage compared to 2021. Top recruiters such as Reliance, HDFC, Apollo, Tata, Sony, LG, among others visited. The median package offered stood at 2.5 lakh per annum. However, the year-over-year trend shows a marginal decline of 5.6% compared to 2021. Comparing the median packages of RKTF with Bhopal's LNCT University and Jagran Lake City University, one can observe that both LNCT and JLU offer more preferable median packages compared to RKTF. Moving on now, RKTF University provides Bachelors of Engineering program through its 5 affiliated engineering colleges. Among these are Sri Satya Sai College of Engineering that offers the most diverse academic options with 7 BE specializations, including CSE, EEE, IT and EE. Admission criteria includes a minimum aggregate of 45% in 10+2 with PCM as well as consideration of JEE main scores. The tuition fees for Bachelor of Engineering is approximately 55,000 per year. RKTF University Bhopal offers state and central government sponsored scholarships. Eligibility criteria for scholarships include scoring 75% or more in 10+2 from state boards or 85% or more from CBSE ICSE boards. A candidate must hold domicile status in Madhya Pradesh along with a JEE mains rank of 50,000 or lower. Let's switch gears to the 3.6 star rated infrastructure and see what students are saying. RKTF University's Wi-Fi enabled campus is spread across 59 acres. The university features modern classrooms equipped with advanced teaching aids, well-stocked libraries, auditorium, and well-equipped laboratories such as mechanical, engineering, drawing, and civil, among others. The campus provides comfortable hostel accommodations for both boys and girls. Additionally, extensive sports facilities including football fields, basketball courts, and indoor game rooms are offered. Students appreciate the infrastructure, noting that all facilities are of good quality, from hostels to academics as well as the mess and canteen. Moving on to faculty and course curriculum, which have received a 3.2 star rating from students. The faculty at RKTF University is highly qualified, knowledgeable, and supportive as per students. They further share that the curriculum is relevant and prepares them for the industry. The campus life at RKTF is vibrant and engaging with a 3.3 star rating. Students have access to various clubs such as cricket, kho-kho, robotics, literary, and more. The institute hosts various events, workshops, and festivals, including Samagam, Dashak, and more. The university currently is unranked in the NIRF rating. For more details on RKTF University Bhopal and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.